Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from Ikra English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, Standard 6th, and the book will be Honeysuckle textbook. Chapter number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. So before you read, I will read this heading which is important. In 1997, an Indian American, Kalpana Chawla, was a part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia, becoming the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So, Kalpana Chawla was a first female to go to space shuttle. She was from India but she was Indian and she was staying at America. So our lesson name is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. A news report. So this is basically what you can see. It's a newspaper report. Tragedy in space. US Space Shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. So space shuttle means, if I'll tell you what is space shuttle is just like a rocket where Kalpana Chawla went through rocket on the space, and when it came back it was a flame while she came, and she died while coming back to earth. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US Space Shuttle Columbia, carrying India born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and six others, broke apart in flame as it streaked over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1 February 2003, killing all seven on board. So basically, what here is trying to say, there were seven people in the space, counting with Kalpana Chawla, and they all died in that space due to some technical problem. 1st February 2003, killing all seven on board. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 am. As it came in for landing, it was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakh feet and traveling at 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So while it was coming down to the earth, it was 20 feet away from the earth, and it was having a 220,000 speed kilometer. And what happened? They lost the control. Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. So where this place was situated? Kennedy, which was in Florida. It has stayed in orbit for 16 days. That flame stood into the orbit for 16 days, and the seven members crew conduct 80 experiments before it began its downward journey, which ended in tragedy. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flight. Moving on, now we'll go in details. So please pay attention. I will start this main part of this chapter in the next video. Till then, thank you for watching this video.